Growing up, I had a chance to experience how corn is being processed. I got the experience at a farm where it was a local farm where they were manually threshing the corn, not threshing per se, but removing the kernel from the cob with their hands. And it was also one where they were using sticks to hit it after it was harvested. I'm Beata Nhyira Ackun, a final year computer engineering student with a minor in renewable energy and a class of 2025. The thresher machine went through a whole design process stage. I first had to draw the outline, how I wanted it to look like, because it was going to be more of a small scale design. So after I had done the drawing, I moved it to SolidWorks to have a better view, a 3D model. Then I was able to get some of the materials around the local stores, and the machine was built here. So for the electrical parts, we had some components like the proximity sensor, the IR sensor, we had the servo motor, we had the weight sensor, the LCD screen, and push buttons. So I'm going to go through the whole rundown of how each component serves in the machine. So first, the LCD screen displays the whole process of the threshing machine. The push button helps in putting in the weight. So you first set your weight before the whole process starts. So we are going to go with 5 kg. So you put in 5, then the proximity sensor senses the corn and turns on the AC motor. The AC motor then runs for the threshing process to go on till the cut-off weight has been set or has been reached. Then there's a servo motor with a shutter which closes so that corn doesn't move in to disrupt the weight that has been gotten. Yeah. So with this particular machine, it's better and more efficient than the one in the market, because for the one in the market, it's just the machine that brings out the kernel and it spreads around. Then the farmer has to now collect it and put it in the bag, then weigh it. And in the process of weighing, they have to now scoop some off to get like the required weight that they want. But for this particular machine, if you want to do 5 kg for like a whole process, you're able to set the weight sensor to 5. Then it's going to go through that process and only thresh 5 kg. So you're able to bag it and sell it. So with this particular project, it's able to give you an accurate weight, because the initial one, you have to manually put it on the scale and now scoop till you get to your desired weight. But for this particular one, I was able to calibrate the weight sensor. So the bucket that is on it doesn't weigh anything because I've already calibrated it with the bucket. So when the corn settles, it's able to now generate the actual weight for the corn. So it's more efficient than the one in the market. The recommendations that I came up with throughout the process was to get it to be solar powered and to add a grinding machine to it. So with the solar power system, since it's going to be on the farmland and then the sun is going to be out, we're going to set a solar panel which is going to give energy to the thresher to be able to help with the whole process. Then for the grinder, we are going to add the grinder to the outlet of the cob. So where the cob comes out from, there's going to be a grinder which is going to grind the cob into granulated forms, which can be used for animal feed or for beddings for the animals on the farmland.